Add your sugar, butter and oil, mix them, and then add your 3 eggs and vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, sift together all your dry ingredients. If you don't have buttermilk, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to your milk and then add 2 teaspoons of white distilled vinegar as well as your food coloring. Mix it and then alternate by adding your dry ingredients and your buttermilk mixture while mixing everything in until it's all well combined. Divide your mixture into 2 separate pans and bake. As for your cream cheese, add your cream cheese, butter and vanilla extract. Mix them and then add your powdered sugar and add some melted white chocolate and some milk just to get the perfect consistency. And then start cutting up your cake into small mini cakes. Pipe your frosting, decorate and serve. Enjoy!